Today, in statement questions of 7th class simple equations, we solve some questions related to the age concept. Age concept. Let's see here a question. Raju's age is 9 years less than his sister. After 5 years, the ratio will be 2:3. Find the present ages. Okay? Find the present ages. See here in the first statement, Raju's age is 9 years less than his sister. That means they are the present situation. At present he is 19 years younger than his sister. So in this question we have two persons, Raju and his sister, whose age we define as X. Of course anyone's age you can define as X. But what is convenient here is sister. If the sister is X years, Raju is 9 years less. That means X minus 19 is the Raju's present age. First let's define the present ages of both the persons. Present ages. Present ages. The first we define sister's age as X. Sister's age is equal to X years. Don't write just X, here X as a unit. And Raju's age, and he is 19 years less than his sister. It is also in years. So we got the present ages. After 5 years, if the present age is X, what is the age after 5 years? 5 more than this, obviously. And here also become elder by 5 years. So for both the present ages, you have to add 5 to get their ages after 5 years, then we compare with the ratio. Okay? After 5 years, sister's age, present is X after 5 years plus 5 years. The same way Raju's age. At present he is X minus 19. He also increased by 5 years. That is his age. Let me simplify this part here. That is X minus 14 years. Okay. These are the ages of sister and Raju after 5 years. How the ages will be? 2:3 ratio. Okay. So the ratio of Raju and sister after 5 years is 2:3. We know we can write the ratio in the form of a fraction 2. Comparison can be in the fraction 2. Here I compare the Raju's age and sister age. Therefore, according to the sum, Raju's age, that is X minus 14, and the sister's age X plus 5 is 2:3, that is 2/3. And we have these non-verbal questions in the equations. So by cross product, 3 of X minus 14, don't multiply directly, use brackets to avoid wrong answers, is equal to 2 of this denominator. You know how to remove the bracket. It is also one of the non-verbal questions. See, up to a part unknown. The second part is very known to us. 3x. From here no expression is required, I think. 3 14s, 42 is equal to 2x plus 10. I transpose 2x to this side minus 42 to this side. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 10 plus 42. Okay. So I remain with x. The sum is 52. What is x here the question? Sister age. Therefore, sister age is equal to 52 years and Raju's age. We know Raju is 19 years younger to her sister. Younger. So by subtracting 19 from the sister's age, I get Raju's age. That is 12 minus 9, 3, 33. Yes, 33 years. These are the present years. Let us check our answers are right or wrong. Okay, let me write the present age of Raju and sister. Raju is 33 and sister is 52. These are the present ages. After 5 years, let me add 5 to both of the ages. Plus 5, plus 5. It become 38. It become 57. When I reduce this into lowest term, 19 2 times, 19 3 times, 2 by 3, 2 is to 3. I got the given comparison in the question. So whenever you get the answer, immediately compare with this condition, so that you know whether your solution is right or wrong before proceeding to the next question in the examination. One more question on the same concept, ages. Father is 30 years older to his son. That means at present it is. In 12 years means after 12 years. After 12 years, he will be 3 times of his son. Find present ages. Okay. So you know how to begin the age questions. You have to define the present ages and the condition before and after. So here also you have the present ages. Out of father and son, you can define either father or son as x. I take here father is x. The present ages. Father x years, son x minus 30. If father say I am 30 years elder, son has to say 30 years younger. It is the common. Okay. Don't write plus here. Now, after 12 years, what are their ages? Both ages will be increased by 12. Father become x plus 12 and son will become x minus 30 plus 12. In result, x minus 18 years. Okay. These are the ages after 12 years, the father and son. Father is x plus 12, son is x minus 12. And how the father will be? He will be 3 times of the son. Okay. Now I apply the condition. Therefore, father after 12 years, that is x plus 12, is 3 times of the son's age then, not now. That is x minus 18. Okay, let me complete. X plus 12 is equal to 3x. 3 of minus 18 minus 54. Transpose. X plus 3x as minus 3x is equal to minus 54. Plus 12 as minus 12. Plus x minus 3x. Minus 2x is equal to minus 66. So x is equal to minus 66 by minus 2, which gives 33. So x is equal to 33. Whose age? Father age. Therefore, father is equal to 33 years and son is 30 years younger, so 3 years. This is a primary class boy. Okay, let's apply the condition. 33 and 3. Add 12 to both of them. 33 is the present age of father, 3 is the present age of son. After 12 years, the father will reach 45 and son will reach 15. Is it 3 times or not? Yes, 45 is 3 times of son. It takes no time to check your answers. Please do check your answer before proceeding to any question anywhere, the small test or big test. Make it a habit. Otherwise, you feel I solved all the questions but I did not get the good marks. I don't know why. So without confidence, don't move to the next step. Okay? Some more questions we solve in our next video. Thank you. And also please do subscribe to my channel. Thank